I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
Now I want to talk about something I've been seeing going viral everywhere on the internet, and it was two cars that were involved in this situation. We're gonna call one car A and the other one car B. Car A is the one with the dash camera, and it was traveling down the highway, and car B cut that car off and completely stopped in the middle of the highway.
But it's crazy, like he had one hand on the, what the, oh my god.
Car A did not rear end car B, so it was good. Everything was fine, right? That's what you would assume, but no. There was actually something that was gonna happen that I didn't even see it coming.
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what did he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
And they tried to make it seem like car A rear-ended car B.
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I'm shaking.
My god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright,
Just,
hold on.
just.
Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
And in the eyes of the law, if you get hit from the back, it's always the person behind you's fault. But the fact that these people were gonna go out of their way to scam the insurance, because essentially that's what's happening here. They wanna get a settlement, they wanna play it off like they're hurt, they wanna play it off like the person behind them rear-ended them. But luckily, car A had a dash camera that recorded the entire thing. And well, as soon as I seen that video, I had to go out and get me a dash camera to protect myself. And what better than the Redtiger 4K ultra clear Wi-Fi and app controlled GPS tracking dash camera. This is the F7NP model. Here's a few factors why I went with the Redtiger dash camera. Number one, it has 4K and 1080p resolution, which will help you capture clear details like street signs and license plate numbers. It also has a 170-degree wide front camera and 140-degree wide rear camera. That will help reduce blind spots and capture a wider area. And of course, it has night vision, which is the ultra large f1.5 aperture plus HDR/WDR technology, which will help you capture clear image in low light conditions. You also get a built-in GPS at 24-hour parking monitoring, and the best part is that it's super easy to install. You find a location where you want to put the dash camera, you wire everything together, and then you plug it into the car charger, and boom, you're all good to go. Now let me show you everything that comes in the box. You got the camera right here, then you got the suction cup, and then you got all the wiring here. Of course, you have the guide right here in case you need help installing it. So here are all the wiring, pretty easy. Again, anyone can put this together. Then you also have the hard wire kit, which you could also get. So we jumped in the Trackhawk and I got my dash camera mounted up. Now I'm gonna take this end and put it in the car charger. And just like that, we are all good to go. Let's turn it on. And as soon as it turns on, it's just gonna automatically start filming. Now we're gonna go out for a ride and put this dash camera into use. Hey, listen, y'all, stop wasting time. Go get you a dash camera. You want to protect yourself. You want to make sure you have all the evidence in case something crazy happened, like the video I showed y'all. I know a lot of you think that that would never happen to you. Well, so did that person that it happened to. They thought it would never happen to them, but it happened to them. And well, good thing they had a dash camera, because if they didn't, they would have probably got sued. Insurance would have went through the fucking roof. I mean, a lot of shit could have went the other way, but luckily they had a dash camera. So go get you a Redtiger dash camera ASAP. Link will be in the description.